Are you looking for the best makeup brush in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best makeup brush that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Norate Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat. This is the best makeup brush cleaning mat that you can offer as a gift to girls and women on any occasion. It features a suction cup design that gives you strong absorption, allowing hands-free use. Moreover, this product is easy to use and this can be attributed to the ergonomic design that this product comes with. Besides, this product will leave all your brushes clean as it touches all the bristles during cleaning. It is made using healthy silicone material, which is environmentally friendly and safe for indoor use. You will appreciate that this product keeps your makeup brushes in great condition without damaging or breaking the bristles. At number 4, PractK Palmat Makeup Cleaning Mat. PractK Palmat Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat is the best on the market and it will give you the best service for the longest time. Ideally, this product is compact to ensure that its size encourages easy transportation. Additionally, this product is made using high-grade silicone material which is environmentally friendly. Additionally, this best makeup brush cleaning mat has a professional quality and so its composition has no lead, latex, or BPA. You can, therefore, be certain that it will be safe for you to use it indoors and that your brushes will remain in great condition. At number 3, Oberhuff Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat. Here is a makeup brush cleaning mat that features a 2-in-1 design to give you more value for your money. Its upper surface comes in handy when cleaning brushes while its bottom side is effective at drying or wetting brushes. Additionally, you will appreciate that this product has 4 cleaning modules which enhance the capacity of cleaning various brushes. Furthermore, this best makeup brush cleaning mat is made using soft silicone material, which has an environmentally friendly design. Therefore, you can safely use it indoors as it is non-toxic, making it one of the best on the market. You can also use it to store makeup and brushes, easing transportation. At number 2, MelodySusie Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat. Here is a high quality and the best makeup brush cleaning mat that you should get on the market before it goes out of stock. Furthermore, this product features soft and long-lasting silicone material that is suitable for cleaning various makeup brushes. This can be a wonderful gift idea for loved ones during any occasion and the brand is committed to a 6 months warranty to ensure you enjoy the value of the purchase. Ideally, this product has tiny granules that come in handy when cleaning small makeup brushes. Moreover, this product has stripes that are made to clean large makeup brushes. You will appreciate that this product comes with a compact size that facilitates easy storage. Furthermore, its lightweight design ensures that the transportation of this product is a breeze when you are on the go. At number 1, Bird&Fish Makeup Brush Cleaning Mat. Do you want to have your makeup brushes thoroughly clean? Then you need to buy this best makeup brush cleaning mat that is available on the market at a pocket-friendly price. It features an odorless, soft, and non-toxic silicone material that is environmentally friendly. There are 6 suction cups on this product to ensure that it will cling even on glossy surfaces. Moreover, this product has a durable material that enhances long-term use. To facilitate convenient storage, this product features a foldable construction. It also features a lightweight construction to enhance ease of transportation. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.